guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you what I purchased from Cirkul. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I do show you guys on my Instagram and here on YouTube different times that Cirkul had sent me products. I have purchased my own in between them sending me products, but I thought I would go ahead and show you an order that I placed myself this time. So you know, I'm not just trying to show you free PR that they're sending me, even though I greatly do appreciate it, because I am serious when I say this. I grab my Cirkul as soon as I come home from work, and I have that with me until I go to bed and I put it back in the refrigerator. There is not a day that has gone by since I've received my sips that I have not had my Cirkul bottle. So to make sure that I have enough sips going, I do place my orders in between them sending me things. And again, I wanted to show you because this one is not, they sent to me for review. This is what I purchased myself. Now, I went ahead and did the bundle. If you go to their website, you can actually go to the bundle and customize your own. The more you add, the more you'll save. So I went ahead and just kept adding until I saved the most discount, and my order was going to be like over $100. I'll go ahead and put right here what I ended up paying. It tells you I think I saved $30 something by their discount. So that's why I just go to their bundle. I feel like that's the best value and you're going to get the most bang for your buck. So let's go ahead and dive in. I wanted to get another larger size of the stainless steel bottle. I have a blue one, and don't get me wrong, I love my blue, but sometimes I'm like not wearing blue and I have a blue cup, so I'm just like weird like that, and I like to match some things. So I thought I'm just gonna go ahead and get the white one. So now I have the blue, the white, I have a few plastic ones, and my man has a black one. And his sister, I gave her one of my plastic ones that I had, and she actually liked it so much, she purchased a new bottle for herself and all of her kids. So they're all loving their sips as well. So this isn't me, like, again, I'm not, I really want you to see, this is a thing that I really like, you guys. And I'm so excited about this company because I drink so much water now. Like, I am so proud of myself on how much water I'm literally drinking. They're keeping me hydrated like there's no tomorrow. And that's what I'm really excited about, because now I'm going to start all 2021 staying hydrated, drinking water to the max, because they're helping me do that. So once I remove all of this is everything that I had ordered. So there's my white cup right there. So when you do purchase your cups, you can get plastic. Oh, they even have like half bottles for kids too. So if you have kids that don't like drinking water and they like drinking juice or Kool-Aid or something like that, you can get them their own sip, and then they're not gonna know. They're gonna think they're drinking like Kool-Aid or something because it's flavored. So they do have those as well. So here is my white bottle. I'm so excited. They do have customized bottles as well. And I didn't know like what the extent was until one of the bottles that they had sent to me, which I keep that one at work. That's my work one. They put this like a sleeve that they print over it, and you can customize it to anything. So even if you have the small plastic ones for your kids, you can put their name on it. You can customize it with their name on it, so no one's mixing up or thinking someone else has their cup or that thing. But you can change the color of the lid as well if you want to just do that. But you have that option. But they sent me one that says SheCrafty on it, and I love that. Like, I literally cried when they sent it to me. I was like, oh my gosh. But I love it. So here is my white one. It has their logo right there. It says Cirkul on both sides. These do have like a little gripper on the bottom. They don't fall over. That kind of helps keep them in place as well. And I normally will add in some ice cubes, and they stay in here for a very long time because of the stainless steel. It's like insulated. It stays so much colder, and it doesn't have condensation. With the plastic bottle, the only thing that I'm going to say is why I would recommend these versus the plastic ones. They do have one in a smaller size if you don't want this big one, but I feel like I might as well just get the big one because I'm constantly drinking water and constantly refilling these. This one holds over one bottle. It's like a bottle and a half to 2 bottles of water that it'll hold. The other one only holds like 1 bottle of water, so I get more water in here as well. But You can pick this color, you can do customized ones if you would like, and then the lid, you get to choose the color. So you can have it match your thing, but this time I just got black, so this will be my black and white bottle. So then there's the lid. Now, the lid, you always keep. You never throw this lid away. And one thing that I really like, if you've already watched my other videos, and you're probably gonna kind of already know because I'm gonna tell you how these work again. But if you're new to Cirkul, then you're probably gonna be impressed. So this right here, that's all it is. So it just has the lid, and it does have a little ring in there, so it keeps everything nice and tight and sealed, 100%. Now, this is how it stays. The sips are what you put in here, and when the sip is done, because it's not one sip per bottle of water, you use this sip for several bottles, depending on what level you put it at. Because you are in control of how much flavor comes out in your sip. And one thing that I really, really like is that the sips do not link into this bottle. No, they don't link either, but they don't leak into the bottle. So when, like, if you were to take your sip out and put in another sip, you're gonna only taste from that one. If you were to take your sip out and just drink from the thing, you're tasting pure water, nothing else. So none of the flavoring actually gets put in here. So this is always clean. This is always clean. And the sips are spill proof. So let me go ahead and let me just open up mixed berries. So this is what the packages come like, and they're different ones. So you have, this says Fit Sip. This one is replenishing electrolytes. Here's another Fit Sip, but they also have like Life Sip. They have coffee for like the brew sip. There's a Go Sip. So there's different categories when it comes to the sips depending on what you want. Like some of them will be like all natural, has no sweeteners. Some of them have like, these are energy. So they're all different, and all the flavors are amazing. Wait, did I get a coconut? Oh, I see a coconut and there's Tropical Blast. I'm like, please don't tell me I got coconut, but my man loves coconut, so it wouldn't be bad. But this is a Tropical Blast. So for example, the mixed berries. Let me open this, and then I want to tell you all of the flavors that I bought for this order. So when you open this up, this is what it looks like. Now, when you first get it, you just put it in here. You roll it up, tighten it up. And right on here, so if you were to see there's an X, right now it's on an X. So right now, if you were to drink, if there's water in here, I got to clean it first, but if you were to drink it, you're going to get nothing but just water. You're not going to get no flavoring. You're only getting water. So if you don't want any flavor, or you're taking medications or your vitamins or something like that, and you just don't want the flavor with it, or you just brush your teeth, because that happens. At night when I brush my teeth, I don't like to mix the flavor like with my toothpaste and this, because it's not a good mix. So I'll turn it to the X and I'll take some sips, because then it's just regular water, and I'm okay with that. So I like that you can turn it to regular water at any time. So you have that option. But if you turn that dial right here, you hear it. Wait, you can't see it though. But if you turn this dial, you're gonna go from 1 to 9, and that's the intensity level that's gonna be pouring in that sip, hence the word sip, because your flavor's coming out sip by sip. Every time you're sucking to get the water out, that's when that much flavoring is gonna be coming into your mouth. A burst of flavors in your mouth. And also when you do have it, like normally on mine, and I've had a few of you guys ask me, what is the level that I normally keep mine at? On average, when I first open it, I feel like I need to have it like 1 or 2 numbers ahead just to get it going. And then I can move it back down and keep it that way the rest of the time. So I probably on average stay anywhere between a 2 and a 4. But then when you're almost out of that sip, and when it's like finishing, then I do have to turn it up and up and up to get the rest of it out. And then once it's out, I'll just replace it and keep going. Also, another cool feature is this right here is where you actually hold your lid. So you just turn your lid, you line it up with that, you open it, and then you just lock it into place. So then it holds it open, and again, this is spill proof. So it will not spill or anything like that while you're sipping. Every now and then, if you don't like suck the top layer off, it's gonna sound, to get your mind out of the gutter is what I'm talking right now. So when you gotta suck the tip of it off, because if not, that did not sound good. Because if not, it might just coagulate a little bit of water on the top, and then when you go to pick it up, you might have some drip, and you're gonna think that it's dripping. It's not. It's just a little bit of condensation or a little bit left over from your last sip that you didn't suck out. So when I'm done, I make sure I just take an extra second and just kind of the top of it when I'm setting it down, or else next time I pick it up, I might have a drop or two that lands on me, which is okay. I just know it's just a little bit from the top. It's not a lot. It's okay. But I don't want you to get it and think, oh, this thing's leaking. And she said it's spill proof. No, it's just a little bit on the top. It shouldn't leak. If it does leak, then it might just be a manufacturer defect from that one particular one, but I have not had any that actually leak or anything like that. So I haven't had that problem. So here is how that works. Again, sip by sip, you do however, you're in control of what goes in your mouth. Now, I'm gonna go over all my sips in here and tell you what I purchased in case you're interested. So then you're gonna kind of know what flavors that I really like. Okay, so this one's a fit sip. This is white cherry. This one is really, really good. White cherry, mixed berries, and sweet tea are my top three. My top three, but they're all really good. So here's a blackberry. Here's that tropical blast. Here's a black cherry. I have a berry pomegranate, a citrus twist, strawberry watermelon, fruit punch. Fruit punch is another one. Yes, I wish I had more than 3. Oh, if it was the top 5, then I'll go ahead and put that one in there. Here's another white cherry. Some I get duplicates of because I really like them. Here's just a regular lemonade. I got another tropical blast. This is a blueberry cranberry. I haven't tried that one yet, so I'm really excited to try that. Here's a grape. Lemon lime, another lemon lime. Here's an orange tangerine. They actually just sent this one to me the last time they sent me some, and I had never had this one, and it is really, really good. So I had to get another and another, and then I got another watermelon. So that is all of the sips that I purchased with my new white bottle. I love that with the white and the, oh, sorry, I didn't get black. I got the dark gray because my man has black on his. So if I were ever to take this off, I know whose is whose. Even though it doesn't matter because you don't drink from that, because you only drink from this. And when this is done, you throw this out and you put a new one in. So you don't have to worry about like cleaning anything, getting anything nasty or gunky or anything like that, because this part you throw away. So that is everything that I have to show you about my order that I had purchased directly from Cirkul. I will link their website, their direct website down below if you would like to go and check them out for yourself. I'm so glad to hear a lot of you guys have actually tried them and are loving them, and you're actually thrilled with yourself and drinking all this water like I am. So I love hearing that. They're keeping us hydrated, and especially for, like I said, the new year, setting new goals, new resolutions. So I'm so glad that now I have this in my life, because I can't even count how many bottles of water that I drink now. And before, I never drank water that much. So there you go. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me know down below if you've purchased it, what your thoughts are. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.